On behalf of the Orange County Bar Association, it is such a privilege to introduce to you the 2020 Lawrence G. Mathews Jr. Professionalism Award recipient, Keshara Cowans. The award ceremony was scheduled in March and then rescheduled months later in June, but due to COVID-19, unfortunately, we had to cancel it again. So for now, we will introduce you to Keshara and hear from her through this video production. Perhaps unprecedented, Keshara has received this award with the full support of 4 bar organizations, and I know many more would join in. The OCBA Foundation, the OCBA Young Lawyers Section, the Central Florida Association for Women Lawyers, and the Paul C. Perkins Bar Association. In a joint statement, in one loud voice, they stated that Keshara is the epitome of professionalism and grace and the finest example of what it means to be a lawyer in the Central Florida community. Until recently, before joining the Orange County Public Schools as in-house counsel, Keshara had one of the hardest jobs in our profession, and it was a thankless job. She prosecuted attorneys on behalf of the Florida Bar for alleged grievances. No matter what the circumstance, she treated the people she was prosecuting with the utmost respect and dignity. I have served on one of her grievance committees. I've seen her interact with attorneys, witnesses. I've read her deposition transcripts. And although the process was sometimes adversarial, she was respectful, kind, understanding, and professional. And while still being incredibly effective both in and outside of the courtroom. In addition to excelling as a Florida Bar prosecutor and now excelling at the Orange County Public Schools system, Keshara has worked tirelessly for our profession and community. If you have ever attended a seminar where she serves as the keynote speaker, which I have had the privilege of attending, you know you will walk away with many wonderful tidbits of information that will help you in your practice. She has served countless hours for the Young Lawyers section and is just a couple of years removed from serving as its president, where she had an exceptional year leading over 700 lawyers. And she ran strong with her hashtag #WeDoMore theme that still remains in effect today. Above all, beyond being an excellent attorney, an extraordinary voluntary bar servant leader, she is a wonderful wife and mother of 3 children, a set of twins no less. Hardworking, kind, thoughtful, and inspiration. Those are the words that come to mind when I think about Keshara Cowans. I'm honored to call her a friend. And I can think of no better person this year who is well deserving to be awarded the Lawrence G. Mathews Professionalism Award. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you Keshara Cowans.
It is often said that professionalism isn't the job you do, it's how you do the job. I am honored to stand before you today as the 2020 recipient of the Lawrence G. Mathews Jr. Young Lawyers Professionalism Award. I am humbled to be included amongst the remarkable attorneys who received this award before me. I would like to thank the Central Florida Association for Women Lawyers for nominating me. I am grateful to my parents for teaching me at an early age the importance of integrity and kindness. I would like to thank my husband for his unwavering love and support, and I want to recognize my 3 children because they are my greatest blessings. It is an irrefutable fact that professionalism is fundamental in the practice of law. This notion was first introduced to me while I was in law school. Go Noles! And it was instilled in me when I began my career as an assistant public defender in the 9th Judicial Circuit. Shout out to PD9. During training, we had a number of judges and attorneys speak with us about the importance of professionalism in our practice. They emphasized that our legal community is small and the reputation we built as young lawyers would remain with us throughout our entire career. Those words resonated with me and I've kept them at the forefront of my practice ever since. When I left the public defender's office and became bar counsel with the Florida Bar, I was tasked with assisting in the regulation of our profession while simultaneously trying to improve the public's perception of lawyers. I was asked to join the teaching faculty for practicing with professionalism, and this allowed me the opportunity to engage with enthusiastic first-year lawyers who were beginning their journey in the practice of law. I shared with them that same sage advice that had been shared with me. Your reputation takes years to build, but it can crumble within a matter of minutes because of a bad decision. I also stressed the importance of having a mentor, someone that you can go to with questions, someone who can guide you through all of the intricacies of the practice of law. Presently, the COVID-19 pandemic has presented our profession with unprecedented challenges. Hearings and meetings that we've been accustomed to attending in person, we are now required to attend virtually. COVID-19 has also affected our personal lives. Many of us were tasked with navigating distance learning for our children during a quarantine, while also trying to adjust to the changes in the profession. And this added stress among all of us. So it's more important now than it ever was before that during these times we remember to extend grace, courtesy, and kindness to one another, and we continue to do our part to improve the public's perception of lawyers and maintain the highest professionalism in our practice.